Happy birthday! Musta ka na? Musta na kayo ni Waki dyan? Wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang healthy at masaya. Ingat kayo palagi ni Waki dyan ha. I miss you. I love you. God bless. Bye!
Happy birthday, Gigi! Ingat kayo dyan, ha? Sana malusog si Waki, saka ikaw. Kumanda pa ang katawan ni Waki. Sana mag-umalik kahit paano. Happy birthday, Gigi!
Send mo kay ano yan?
Hi, Roseline! Good morning! Happy birthday to you! More blessings! More birthdays to come! God bless you always!
Huwag yung pang-artista, yung totoo.
We miss you!
Yung totoong mga...
Love you! Happy birthday!
Sana.
Good luck always!
Sana.
Ano naman ako yung Tagalog? Hello, Line! Kumusta na? Happy birthday. Ang wish ko laging maging maayos ang kalagayan niyo dyan. I wish you all the best. Happiness. At alam ko naman, lagi kang beautiful inside and out. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita through AJ at na isama mo ako sa iyong set of friends. Salamat lalo na nung inalalayan mo kami. Ikaw ang nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob para makakuha ng US visa. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Salamat ng marami. Enjoy lang. Stay beautiful, healthy, para sa'yo, kay Waki, at sa partner mo. Happiest birthday. I'm grateful and thankful na kilala kita through AJ. Ingat. Bye.
Hi, Line. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, happy. Enjoy your day. Waki, so lucky to have you. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Sending you my long distance hugs and kisses. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Gigi. My sweet and beautiful at pinakamabait kong inaanak. Sana huwag ka magbago. Lagi mo ako naaalala. Lagi mo ako binibigyan ng vitamins. Sana more blessings to you. Nakahanap ka na ng BF na gwapo at mabait. Enjoy your vacation. See you soon. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday, my sweet and beautiful at pinakamabait kong inaanak. Sana huwag ka magbago. Lagi mo ako naaalala. Lagi mo ako binibigyan ng vitamins. Sana more blessings to you. Nakahanap ka na ng BF na gwapo at mabait. Enjoy your vacation. See you soon. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Gigi. Happy birthday. The Lord bless you with long life and good health. Ingat kayo lagi and I am happy for you.
Sana huwag ka magbago. Lagi mo ako naaalala.
Happy birthday. The Lord bless you with long life
Sana
and good health.
more blessings to you.
I am happy for you.
Nakahanap ka na ng BF na
Hi, Teacher Nine.
gwapo at
Happy
mabait.
birthday.
Enjoy
The
your
Lord bless you with long
vacation.
life and good health. Ingat kayo lagi
See you
dyan.
soon.
I am happy for you.
Bye. Love you.
Hello,
Hi,
Ate
Nine.
Lai. It's
Happy
your big
birthday.
day. Happy 18th birthday, Joyce. Simulan nagkakilala tayo, parang tumigil na yung age mo sa 18 years old. So, 18 ka na lang lagi. So, I'm so happy, ate, and I'm so blessed na nakilala kita through Ma'am RG. So,
Hanap ka na ng
nakakamiss, sobrang nakakamiss mabait. Magkakasama tayo ng 16 events. So, medyo alam mo nga lang ang lola mo ay natapon sa isla sa Masbate. So, medyo dito na stay ang lola mo. Hindi nakahanap ng pag-ibig. But, ang mas magandang namarites ko ngayon, ikaw daw ay may pag-ibig na, and I'm so very happy, ate. I wish you all the best. And, of course, sana ate makilala ko yung iyong iniipon.
Hanap ka na ng
Gusto ko siyang ma-meet. And then, sana
Enjoy your
pagbalik mo,
vacation.
makapagbani ulit tayo together with Ma'am RC, together with Sis PJ.
Love you.
Wish ko ate,
Happy birthday.
maganda ka pa ng gumanda. Sumeksi ka pa ng sumeksi. Para may inspiration ka parate. So,
Sana huwag ka
medyo hindi
magbago.
tayo lately na makapag-usap kasi medyo laging busy din ang sister mo. So, but I always keep it in my heart. Maraming salamat for coming into my life.
Hanap ka na ng
Again, ulitin ko, I'm so blessed na kami medical care.
Enjoy your
Sobrang gusto ko kayo.
vacation.
And ingat ka dyan. Stay pretty and keep the love burning. Sana ate, maraming ka pang mapasaya. Like me, the family, we're so blessed to have you. And ingat ka palagi. I love you. So,
Sana more blessings.
miss na miss na kita ate. Big hugs and ingat ka dyan sa iyo. See you. Maraming salamat ate. I love you again.
Enjoy your vacation.
Hello, Mare! Kumusta ka na? Namimiss na kita sobra. Miss ko rin yung banding natin sa classroom. Today, on your birthday, I wish all the best and good wishes on your birthday. And hopefully, all your wishes will be granted. And soon, sana makapag-banding tayo. Ingat kayo lagi dyan ni Waki. And happy birthday! Ingat lagi! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Lai! More success in life. Regards to Waki. God bless!
Happy birthday, Line! Happy birthday! God bless you! Bye! Ingat palagi!
Ate G, happy birthday. Miss na namin kayo ni Waki. We hope na you're okay there and always take care of yourself. And si Waki, syempre, praying for your happiness and good health. Basta ingat siya lagi and see you soon. Take care.
Hi, BF! Happy golden birthday! I just want to wish you the happiest of birthdays and may you always have the love and happiness you truly deserve. Ingat ka palagi and I hope to see you really soon. Alam mo naman, distance is not a problem to us, but the budget. I love you, BF! Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Love you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Lai! Say happy birthday to Teacher Lai! Happy birthday, Teacher Lai! Happy birthday, Teacher Lai! Ising daw, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you.
Happy birthday, G!
Happy birthday, Tita Ethel.
Ano message mo? Ingat kayo mag-inariyan. God bless. See you.
Hello ate, kumusta dyan? Miss ko sa'yo. Malakas na pangangatawan, saka si Waki. And more blessing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate G. Take care always and to your family. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Ate G.
Ate G.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sis! Wow, golden girl! Of course, pero pretty pa rin ang face. Happy birthday, sis! More birthdays to come and stay happy. And sana masundan na si Waki. Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy
Stay young and pretty. We miss you. Happy birthday! Stay young and pretty. We miss you.
Rosa, happy birthday. Uwi ka na nga. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi ka. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi. Uwi ka na. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi. Love you. Rosa, happy birthday. Uwi ka na nga. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi ka. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi. Uwi ka na. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you.
You sing happy birthday. Sige na
Happy
daw.
birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Teacher
birthday, Mama
Lai.
Gigi. We miss you.
O, yung flying kiss na lang daw. Flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Mama Gigi.
Flying kiss,
We
Teacher
miss
Lai.
you. Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you. Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss